Today we have a 2007 Toyota Camry. It's the SE model with a 2.4 motor. The customer was driving it down the road and it started to lose power, and then the check engine light came on and started to flash. When the code was pulled on it, it was a P0303. We're going to show you where that would be located and the possibilities that's causing that. This is your Toyota 2.4 motor. We're going to start out by removing the 10 here and here. Take this cover off so we can access the top of the motor. These are just a little 10. Pop those loose and take them off by hand. All right. Now that cover should just pull straight up like that. We'll just put that off to the side. Okay, on the top here, since we have a P0303, the firing order on this 2.4 motor is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we know that this problem is on this cylinder right here. And you can see on this one, this car's got a lot of miles on it. Whoever changed the spark plugs in that, when they pulled these off, they actually broke off every single clip, which is kind of funny. If your car's running fine, driving down the road, nothing wrong with it, and then all of a sudden it just starts to misfire. Usually, if you're taking care of your spark plugs over 80 or 100,000, it's usually not that. Or it could be low compression, but it's usually not that. The first thing you're going to check is your coil. And you can actually just take the coil out of 3 and put it in 2. And then if all of a sudden you have a misfire on 2, you know you have a bad coil. But we're going to take this coil out, put another one in it, and see if that takes care of the problem. We break this loose right here, and that's a 10 also. Take that off. And you just pull that straight up. And I do actually have another used coil laying around. And that should just pull up just like that. Now we got to make sure that the other coil has a four prong like this one, and we'll replace it. You can see this other one happens to be a 4 prong like that. Now we're going to put that in, and hopefully that takes care of the problem. So same thing, we're going to put this in. I'm going to put the wire in, or the bolt in, then we're going to hook up the wire to it. Like I said, you usually have something you push down, a little clip right here you push down on, but you can see every one of them on this is actually broken off. And they're actually holding them in with a zip tie, so we're going to do that. So let's snug this up. Okay, that's snug. Get a zip tie, which I'll have to put the camera down to do that, make sure it's tight. So every one of these clips are broken off. So once we replace the coil, to hold this in place so it doesn't come loose from the coil, we had to put a little zip tie on that thing to hold it in place so it's secure. And now we're just going to put the cover back on, and hopefully she runs perfect. Put the cover on, tightened up our 210s, fired up the car, and it runs perfectly. So that's all it takes to replace a coil on a 2007 Camry SE with a 2.4 motor.